Now I'd like to come back to the subject of transitions in relation to audio. I've navigated to this position where there are two clips which have very different audio tracks. I'll play it. And the left clip has the noises of the ship's engine and wind noise, and the following clip has a relatively quiet audio track. Basically, there are some background noises from the island. If I have an instant transition between the two clips, then this happens not simply optically, but also acoustically, and sounds rather hard. If I apply a transition via drag and drop, as we've learnt before, then I can see that this hasn't just happened for the video section, but there is also a transition here on the audio section of the track. I'll look at this once more, and please listen to the audio track. Yes, and we can see that not only is there a transition for the video section of the track, but also we can hear that the audio section blends into the next one. Usually, in a case like this is what we would want. However, occasionally you might only want to have the blend apply to video or to audio. Here in this lesson, I'd like to show how we can specify the transition only for the video track. So I'll undo what I've done. I'll remove the transition from here. And now I go into the settings, user settings, and here in the section application timeline, I can find a function relevant to these transitions, and it is here, insert default crossfade in transition. Crossfade is an audio transition, and transition is my video transition. And this function means that whenever I specify a video transition, an audio crossfade is also specified. If I deactivate the tick box here and use apply and OK, and I perform the same functions, then a transition is applied to the video, but the audio changes instantly from clip to clip. And in such a case, it's not really optimal, and so I would like to specify an audio transition or crossfade once again. However, as we've seen, if this option is deactivated, then you can specify a transition purely for video. For the minute, I'll reactivate this option in preparation for the next steps, and I'll confirm it with apply and OK.